Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Code Refactoring, a comprehensive Devopedia tutorial. Code refactoring is the process of restructuring existing computer code without changing its external behavior to improve its internal structure, readability, and maintainability. It's not about adding new features or fixing bugs, it's about making the code cleaner, more efficient, and easier to understand and modify in the future. Think of it as renovating a house. You're not adding rooms or changing the layout from the outside, but you're improving the internal structure, plumbing, and wiring to make it more livable and efficient. This tutorial will cover various refactoring techniques with code examples in Python. We'll focus on understanding why we refactor and how to do it safely. Why refactor? Several compelling reasons drive code refactoring. Improved readability and understandability. Clean, well-structured code is easier to understand and maintain. This reduces the time spent figuring out what the code does, leading to faster development and fewer errors. Reduced complexity. Refactoring simplifies code by breaking down complex logic into smaller, more manageable units. This improves the overall design and reduces the risk of introducing bugs when making changes. Increased maintainability. Well-refactored code is easier to modify and extend. This makes it simpler to add new features, fix bugs, and adapt to changing requirements. Enhanced performance. In some cases, refactoring can lead to performance improvements by eliminating redundant code or optimizing algorithms. Reduced technical debt. Refactoring helps pay down technical debt, which accumulates when developers prioritize speed over code quality. 2. Refactoring techniques with examples. Let's explore some common refactoring techniques with Python examples. Extracting methods. This involves breaking down a large method into smaller, more focused methods. Before refactoring. After refactoring. Renaming variables and methods. Use descriptive names that clearly convey the purpose of variables and methods. Before refactoring. After refactoring. C. Removing duplicate code. Identify and eliminate redundant code blocks to improve maintainability and reduce the risk of inconsistencies. Before refactoring. After refactoring. D. Introducing explanatory variables. Break down complex expressions into smaller, more understandable parts. Before refactoring. After refactoring. Replacing conditional with polymorphism. If you have many if/else statements based on object type, consider using polymorphism. Before refactoring. Illustrative, needs proper class structure. After refactoring. Illustrative, requires defining shape classes with area methods. 3. Best practices for refactoring. Test-driven refactoring. Write unit tests before refactoring to ensure you don't introduce bugs. Run tests frequently to verify that changes haven't broken existing functionality. Small steps. Refactor in small, incremental steps. This makes it easier to track changes and revert if necessary. Version control. Use a version control system, like Git, to track your changes. This allows you to easily revert to previous versions if needed. Code reviews. Have someone else review your refactored code to catch potential issues you might have missed. Keep it simple. Don't over-engineer your code. Focus on making it cleaner and easier to understand, not more complex. 4. Tools for refactoring. Many IDEs, integrated development environments, provide built-in refactoring tools that automate common refactoring tasks. Examples include PyCharm offers powerful refactoring capabilities for Python, including renaming, extracting methods, and introducing variables. VS Code with various extensions provides similar refactoring support for Python. By consistently applying these techniques and best practices, you can significantly improve the quality, maintainability, and longevity of your code base. Remember, refactoring is an iterative process, and the goal is to continuously improve your code over time.